was great.
You're making me laugh. I can see you moving about in the background, isn't it? Tax rules are changing, whether you like it or not. Making tax digital, MTD, means quarterly updates for HMRC, rather than just one. So if this year's was a hassle, imagine doing it every few months. You don't get to opt out, but you do get to decide whether it's a nightmare or a non-issue. So what is making tax digital? It's the government's move to modernise tax reporting. Instead of submitting a single tax return once a year, businesses, sole traders, contractors, consultants and landlords will need to keep digital records and submit quarterly updates to HMRC using MTD approved software. Right now, MTD applies if you're VAT registered, but from April 2026, self-employed businesses and landlords earning over £50,000 will be required to comply too. In 2027, the threshold drops to £30,000. That means if you run a small business, work for yourself, or rent out property, your tax admin is about to get a whole lot more frequent. And if you're still relying on spreadsheets, it's going to feel like a full-time job. So what happens if you don't comply? Put simply, HMRC will fine you. Miss a deadline, you'll rack up penalty points. And if you collect too many, expect financial penalties. Submit incorrect information, that's another fine. The more serious the mistake, the more it'll cost you. And if you completely ignore MTD, HMRC has the power to increase fines for businesses that repeatedly fail to comply. But MTD isn't just about compliance, it's about making tax easier. Using MTD approved software means your records update automatically, keeping you compliant and error-free. No more last-minute scrambles or unexpected penalties. At Xolve, we make the switch seamless. We'll set you up with the right tools, automate your tax admin, and ensure you stay compliant without the stress. No spreadsheets, no surprises, just simple, stress-free bookkeeping. Making tax digital isn't optional, but dealing with the tax headache is. To get ahead of the changes now and make tax one less thing to worry about, visit xolve.uk today and click Get Started.